Hi friends, if you have a problem with EPS power steering, I had error on my diagnostic mode. It was 31 error. I show you on picture, and EPS doesn't work. Everything seems okay, but I start checking everything. I check stator, I check relays, I check rectifier, I check everything, and I found that was a relay which is responsible for EPS power steering. There was dust, there was rust and everything in that relay. Just you need to remove it and clean it, put everything back, your error will miss. And that is a problem solved.